Some of the challenges here that we don't see in other places are the undertakings and assurances that come as part of the Act that HS2 are working under mean that we had to comply with different environmental assurances, different community assurances, and various stakeholders around here have legal agreements that mean we have to comply with certain things.
And these are a set of conditions and control measures that to get the bill through have been agreed about how we'll do things. We tend to get quite a lot of freedom of information requests for anything to do with ecology, to how we're managing noise and vibration, how are we managing the waste, and also quite a few questions on emissions from all the plant and all the vehicles that service the scheme. Each scheme has something called a Section 61, which details how you're going to deliver the work, and it also details how you're going to minimise the impacts. What kind of control measures are you going to do?
We have an undertaking with a local authority here not to remove trees unnecessarily. So every tree that we take out as part of the project here has to go before a scrutiny panel. That's changed the way that we deliver the project. The taxi rank is designed in a completely different way to how we would have done if we hadn't had that assurance. We're able to maintain at least half the trees in the area that we weren't planning to originally because we engineered it in a different way because of that assurance. So the teams are delivering the project in a different way because they had to adhere to these.
The areas are very different. You go from urban, where we are now, and once you get up into Ruislip area, you're kind of in agricultural land and green belt. People are concerned about the impacts of their countryside, the impacts on public rights of way and agricultural soils. There's a lot of detail on how we will implement best practical means, and we have to communicate that out to the residents and businesses. And actually we share the monitoring data and all the reports and any complaints and investigations we might have had with the public every month.